Hello students, today we shall see practice test for 40 marks. Each question carries 1 mark. Most of the questions are MCQ, means multiple choice questions. In some questions, the options are not given. In those questions, you have to write the answers in words. Watch the video till end. The answers are given in the ending. You have to check your score. In grammar questions, while giving answers, I will give explanation also. This test covers prose section, poetry section, novel section and grammar section. Before solving this test, refer all the videos. Let us start the test. Dear students, this test is only for practice. So, board pattern is not followed here. For board's activity sheet format, refer the video on my channel. Let us start this objective test. First section is novel section. First question. The world's first novel is. Here 3 options are given. You have to choose the correct option and fill in the blank. Second. The writer of Wuthering Heights is. Third. Dash has written the novels based on crime. Fourth. Novel originated in dash century. The options are given 19th, 18th, 20th. Fifth question. John Bunyan is dash century novelist. Sixth question. Blank is the 20th century novelist. The options are Murasaki Shikibu, Afra Ben, George Orwell. Seventh. Theme of the novel means. The options are background, central idea, story. Eighth. Novella is shorter than a full-length novel. You have to write if the statement is true or false. Ninth question. Plot and character are affected due to setting. Write true or false. 10th. The novel that includes terror, mystery is called allegorical novel. Here also you have to write true or false. Now the questions on grammar. 11th question. He saw blank European riding on blank elephant. Here you have to fill the blanks with suitable articles. 12th question. The party will be dash Sunday dash 6 p.m. Here you have to fill in the blanks with suitable prepositions. 13th sentence. They dash be protected. Fill in the blanks with modal auxiliary showing obligation. 14th sentence. We dash inherit the British system of management. Here you have to write the form of present perfect tense in the given blank. 15th sentence. I purchased this pen yesterday. Identify the tense. 16th question. Bring a shirt. Here you have to change the voice. First option. Please bring a shirt. B option. Let a shirt be brought. C. A shirt should be brought. Here you have to choose the correct option. Question number 17. He refused to do so. Here you have to identify the sentence. A. Compound sentence. B. Complex sentence. C. Simple sentence. 18th question. Taking a gun, the hunter went to shoot a lion. Here you have to identify the tense. The options are given. A. Present continuous. B. Simple past tense. C. Simple present tense. The 19th question. It is not fair. You have to change this statement into rhetorical question. The options are given. Isn't it fair? B. Is it fair? C. How is it? Then 20th question. He spent all his money. Here you have to frame a double-edged question to get the underlined answer. The options are given. A. What did he spend? B. Who spent all his money? C. What did he do with all his money? Now, the questions on prose section. Here you have to read the passage and give answers. Here I have taken the passage from lesson number 3, page number 30. The passage starts with Sophie was seized. The passage ends with at the two curiously. Questions from 21 to 30 are based on this lesson. 21st question. Soapy did everything to get arrested. You have to write if the statement is true or false. Then 22nd, Soapy was in happy mood. Here also you have to write true or false. 23rd question, the policeman assumed Soapy to be a thief. Write true or false. 24th, the climate was dash. Options are cold or hot. 25th, in this extract, Yale is the name of dash. The options are given boy, girl, shop, university. 26th question, Soapy behaved in a disorderly manner dash. The options are given because he was mad, B. he was ill, C. to get arrested. 27th, Soapy told the umbrella owner to call a cop. Write true or false. 28th, the antonym of disconsolate is dash. 29th, the meaning of sauntered is. 30th question, the meaning of hastily is. The options are with great speed, slowly, in a relaxed manner. Write the correct option here. Now, the questions based on poetry section. Here I have taken the first poem, Song of the Open Road, page number 94-95. 31st question. In this poem, the old delicious burden means. 4 options are given. A. The luggage. B. The food he carries. C. The stress. D. Sweet memories of the past. You have to choose the correct option here. Next question. The poem is written by. 33rd question. Here, road signifies dash. The options are street, song, mobility, burden. Choose the correct option and fill in the blank. 34th question. The meaning of content is. Again 4 options are given. Sad, happy, angry, satisfied. 35th question. I know they are very well where they are. In this line, the figure of speech is. The options are given simile, repetition, inversion. 36th, the concept of dash is expressed in the poem. Happiness, crowd on the road, freedom. Fill in the blank with the correct option. 37th question, henceforth I ask not good fortune, I myself am good fortune. This line shows poet's dash dash dash. Here you have to choose the correct option and fill in the blank. The options are given happy mood, determination, self-confidence. 38th question. In the poem, the word brown describes. Fill in the blank with the correct option. The options are path, poet, world. Then next question. The figure of speech in the line, the song of the open road is. Last question. The poem is written in dash. Options are A. blank verse, B. free verse, C. the form of sonnet, D. the ballad form. Dear students, solve the given questions and then check your answers. Dear students, I hope you have solved all the questions. Now check your score out of 40. First question. The world's first novel is Tale of Genji. Second, the writer of Wuthering Heights is Emily Bronte. Third, Agatha Christie has written the novels based on crime. Fourth, novel originated in 18th century. Fifth, John Bunyan is 17th century novelist. Sixth, George Orwell is the 20th century novelist. Seventh, theme of the novel means central idea. Eighth, novella is shorter than a full-length novel. This statement is true. Ninth, plot and character are affected due to setting. This statement is true. 10th, the novel that includes terror, mystery is called allegorical novel. This statement is false. Now the questions on grammar. 11th question. He saw a European riding on an elephant. Here, a European. Though the spelling starts with A means vowel, the pronunciation is of consonant. It is year. So, a European. Then 12th, the party will be on Sunday at 6 p.m. 13th, they must be protected. Here you have to use the modal auxiliary showing obligation. Must is used for obligation. Then 14th, we have inherited the British system of management. Here you have to write the present perfect tense. In present perfect tense, has or have plus V3. Here the subject is we, so have plus V3, that is have inherited. 15th question, I purchased this pen yesterday. Here simple past tense because purchased is V2. Then 16th, bring a shirt. Here you have to change the voice. Let a shirt be brought. Then 17th, he refused to do so. Identify the sentence. This is simple sentence because here is only one finite verb, that is refused. Then 18th sentence, taking a gun, the hunter went to shoot a lion. Identify the tense. In this sentence, went is the main verb, so the tense is simple past tense. Dear students, don't be confused with taking as a verb. In this sentence, taking is not main verb. Taking a gun is a phrase. The main verb is went, so the tense is simple past. Then 19th question, it is not fair. Change into rhetorical question. Here answer is option B. Is it fair? While changing statement into rhetorical question, affirmative sentence is changed into negative and vice versa. Then last grammar question, he spent all his money. Here you have to frame a double-edged question to get the underlined answer. Here the underlined word is spent. So the question will be, what did he do with all his money? Now the questions on prose section. 21st question, Soapy did everything to get arrested. This statement is true. 22nd, Soapy was in happy mood. This is a false statement. 23rd, the policeman assumed Soapy to be a thief. This is a false statement. 24th, the climate was cold. 25th, in this extract, Yale is the name of university. 26th, Soapy behaved in a disorderly manner to get arrested. 27th, Soapy told the umbrella owner to call a cop. This statement is true. Then 28th, the antonym of disconsolate is happy. 29th, the meaning of sauntered is walking without hurrying. 30th question, the meaning of hastily is with great speed. Now the questions on poetry section. 31st question, in this poem, old delicious burden means sweet memories of the past. 32nd, the poem is written by Walt Whitman. 33rd, here road signifies mobility. 34th question, the meaning of content is satisfied. 35, I know they are very well where they are. In this line, the figure of speech is repetition. See here the words they are repeated. So here is repetition. Then 36th question, the concept of freedom is expressed in the poem. 37th, henceforth I ask not good fortune, I myself am good fortune. This line shows poet's self-confidence. Then 38th question, in the poem, the word brown describes path. 39th, the figure of speech in the Song of the Open Road is metaphor. Then last question, the poem is written in free verse. Dear students, I hope you must have enjoyed your test. Check your answers. If the answers are wrong, correct them. If you have enjoyed this test, write your comments in the comment box.